Kwa majina naitwa Philemon Morara Apiemi. When we did the constitution, when mwananchi gave 5 years limit, there must have been reasons. And you can get the reasons from the notes, from where the provisions of the constitutions were obtained. So we've not been told why the existing 5 years limit is not enough, that we now need 7. What you can do in 5 years can be done. What you can do in 7 years can be done within 5 years. And actually, when you look at most countries, the period is 5 years. So I personally don't support. I see it as a diversionary tactic from the real issues facing our country. Hii jambo ya IPC, the process is to advertise for qualified and eligible candidates to apply for the interview as commissioners of the IPC. In my opinion, it is very, very important, very urgent that this process is expedited, because we are aware that there are some constituencies and wards that are unrepresented because by-elections could not be conducted since there were no commissioners. So I urge the President and especially the committee that is selected to interview the candidates to do so as soon as possible. And it is not safe to operate without commissioners. Even the current stalemate we are in, whereby we are not sure whether there is a deputy or no deputy, if anything happens today, we will be in a very bad political situation. So it's a matter that should be looked at very, very, very urgently and as soon as possible.